Okay, good morning, first quiz students. Okay, yesterday, okay, 2-3 class before 2-3 classes, so compound angles. Compound angle formulas: cos of a cos a plus b, cos x plus y, cos x minus y, sin x plus y, sin x minus y, tan x plus y, tan x minus y, cot x plus y, cot x minus y, sin 2x, sin 3x, cos 2x, cos 3x, tan 3x, tan 2x, so many, sin x plus sin y, cos x plus cos y, sin x a plus b into sin a minus b. These are so many formulas in compound angles. So already started exercise 3.3 and complete some problems. Sin 75 degrees. How to calculate sin 75 degrees? Sin 75 half an hour. Sin 75 degrees is equal to sin 45 plus 30 degrees. Sin 15 degrees is equal to 45 minus 30, or sin, tan, cot, anyone. 75 means 45 plus 30, because the 75 is convert into known angles. 45 plus 30, not 55 plus 20. No use, because 55 is don't know, 25 is not don't know. So this one 17, 15, these are important one. 2 marks question. Sometimes 2 marks question, 15 degrees, sin 75 degrees. These are asking 2 questions, 2 marks questions. Okay, next one. Prove the following. Prove the following. Prove the following. ಏನು prove? Sixth problem. Cos pi by 4 minus 6 into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus 6 into sin pi by 4 minus y is equal to cos sin x plus y is equal to sin x plus y. This is the formula. Once again, observe them. Observe. Okay. See, cos pi by 4 minus 6. Cos. Okay. Both are causes minus, next both are sines. Both are cos minus both are sin. Which formula? Which compound angle formula? Cos x plus y. Here x means what? X plus y. Here x means what? Pi by 4 minus x. Y pi by 4 minus y. Direct, not a direct formula. Direct means this is a formula, not a problem. So this is indirect. What is x? Pi by 4 minus x. What is y? Pi by 4 minus. Doubt and go. For example, solution. What is the formula? Cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. This is the only formula. So take LHS. LHS is equal to what? Cos of pi by 4 minus x into cos of pi by 4 minus y minus sin of pi by 4 minus x into sin of pi by 4 minus y. What is x? Comparing, this is x, this is y, x, y. Anko, say pi by 4 minus x is considered as x, pi by 4 minus y is taken as y. The assumption in your mind. Okay, so what is the cos x? cos y minus sin x sin y. What is the formula? Cos x minus y, x plus y. What is x? Pi by 4 minus x plus what is y? Pi by 4 minus y. That is equal to cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4. Pi by 4 means what? 45 degrees. Pi by 4 degrees. Pi by 4 is equal to 45 degrees. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is equal to LCM 4 2 pi by 4, that is equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2, this is minus x minus y. Pi by 2 minus x minus y. So that is equal to cos of pi by 2 minus of x plus y. Pi by 2 minus of x plus y. So cos 90 minus theta, this is taken theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to what? Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Here theta is what? X plus y. This is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. What is the formula? Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. These are explanations. So explanations also we have to write. Okay, explanation also you have to write. Otherwise, don't understand the problem. Okay, see. Okay, clear? Tan pi by 4 plus x by tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to one plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. We have to prove. Okay, so solution, all are proving. Okay, in starting prove the following means prove all. So what is LHS? LHS is equal to tan pi by 4 plus x by tan pi by 4 minus x. Formulas, what is the compound for compound formulas? Compound tan x plus y. Tan x plus y formula, tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Tan x minus y is equal to tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x into tan y. These are formulas. So here what is x? This is x, this is y. this is x, this is y. First of all, tan x plus 5 is tan x, tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Next, this one, denominator, tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Okay, this one, tan pi by 4 means what? 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1 no. Tan 45 1 no plus tan x by 1 minus tan 45 1 no, 1 into tan x, okay, by 1 tan pi by 4 1 no minus tan x by 1 plus tan pi by 4 1 into tan x. This is reverse, 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x, this is ulta, reverse, 1 plus tan x into, this is divide, this is into means go to reverse, 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x, that is equal to 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x whole square by 1 minus tan x whole square. 1 plus tan x whole square, 1 plus tan whole square means both are same. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x into 1 plus tan x 1 minus tan x. So a into a is equal to a square. A into a is equal to a square. Write down. Okay, the simple problems. Cos pi plus x, cos of minus x. Cos pi plus x, cos of pi, sin pi minus x. Is equal to cot square x, not cos square x, cot square x. Solution. What is the LHS? Pi by 2 is converted into degrees. Pi is equal to what? Cos 180. Cos 180 plus x into cos of minus x by sin 180 minus x into cos 90 plus x 180 plus theta, cos 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta, which quadrant? 180 plus theta is the third quadrant. In third quadrant, all silver T, T for tan, tan reciprocal cot. Tanu, cotu are positive, remainings are negative. So, cos is negative. 180 means 180 plus or minus x, 360 plus or minus x means that function does not change, means cos x. Cos of minus theta, sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Sin 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta, which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, sin is positive. So 180 means sin. Cos 90 plus theta, 90 plus theta, which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, which are positive? Sin, cosecant, but cos is negative. So 90 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or theta means that function must be changed. So cos change into sin x. E minus cancel. Cos x into cos x, cos square x. Sin x into sin x, sin square x. Cos x by, this is cos x by sin x, cos x by sin x whole square. Tan x is equal to what? Sin by cos. Cot is equal to cos by sin. So cot x whole square. Cot x whole square means cot square x. Cot square x or cot x whole square, both are same. Write down. This is the question. Okay. First solution, LHS. First 3 pi by 2. Pi by 2 is 90 degrees. 3 pi by 2 means 270. 270 plus x into cos 2 pi. 2 pi means 180 into 2, 360. 360 plus x into cot 270 minus x plus cot 360 plus x. This is a conversion. 270 2 pi plus cot काटेगा 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta is a fourth quadrant. All silver tea cups. In fourth quadrant, which one positive? Cos, cosecant. So cos is positive. So plus. In 270, 270 means cos function changes to sine. 360 plus theta, 360 plus theta, first quadrant, this is one. This is 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. This is 90 minus theta, 0 plus theta, 360 plus theta. This is 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta. First quadrant all, second quadrant silver, tea, cups. Okay, 360 plus theta first quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive. All are positive. 360 means cos A. 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant cot positive. 270 means cot convert into tan plus 360 plus theta. 360 plus which quadrant? First quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive. 360 means same function. So sin x into cos x. Sin x into cos x. Tan x means sin x by cos x plus cot x means cos x by sin x. So that is equal to sin x into cos x LCM. What is LCM? Sin x into cos x LCM. Sin into sin square x plus cos square x. So these are cancelled. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. 1 into 1 is equal to what? 1. Formula. This is the formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin x cancel. Sin square x plus cos square is 1. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. This is the answer. Note this. Okay. Next one. Sin n plus 1 into x into sin n plus 2 n plus 1 into x n plus 2 into x plus cos n plus 1 into x into cos n plus 2 into x is equal to cos x is equal to cos x. Solution. A plus B is equal to B plus A na? First cos given, first sines are given. This is the A plus B is equal to B plus A. First cos, formula number first cos x plus y is equal to x minus y. Cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. This is the formula. Apply the formula. This is cos x. Cos x, cos y. Both are cos plus both are sines. Means cos x minus y. So LHS is equal to cos n plus 1 into x, cos n plus 2 into x, plus sin n plus 1 into x into sin n plus 2 into x. So this is what x, this is what y. So what is the formula? Cos x minus y, n plus 1 into x minus n plus 2 into x. So cos of n into x nx, 1 into x x minus nx minus 2x. So plus nx minus nx cancel. Cos of x minus 2x. X minus 2x is equal to what? Plus x minus 2x is equal to minus x. Cos of minus x is equal to what? Cos x. This is the RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Simple formula. Okay, next. Okay, listen. Look at this problem. First, in the problem, observe the problem. 2 causes, 2 sines in between plus. 2 causes, 2 sines in between plus which formula? X minus y formula. Take an LHS. LHS, the first written causes are first and sines are secondary. Next, cos, this is x, this is y. Cos x, cos y plus sin x, sin y is equal to what? Cos x minus y. What is x? N plus 1 into x. What is y? N plus 2 into x. And multiply, cancel. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. This is the formula. Cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus root 2 into cos x minus root 2 into sin x. Cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. Solution. Observe the problem LHS. This is the what formula? Cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. Which is the formula? You know the formula? Tell me. Cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. Cos x plus y minus cos x minus y is equal to minus 2 sin x into sin y. Both are cos in between, minus means both are sines and also negative. So here what is the first of all take an LHS. LHS is equal to cos 3 by 5 pi plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. Here what is x? This is x, this is y. Cos x plus y minus cos x minus y is equal to minus 2 into sin x means sine 3 pi by 4. X means what? 3 pi by 4. Sine y. Y means x. So that is equal to minus 2 into 3 pi by 4. Sine 3 pi by 4 is equal to sine pi minus pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 means 135. 135 is equal to 180 minus 45. Sine 180 minus theta second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine positive. Sine pi by 4 is equal to 1 by root 2. Minus 2 into this is sine 3 pi by 4 is equal to sine pi by 4 into sine x. So that is equal to minus 2 into sine 45 1 by root 2 into sine x. Minus 2 convert into root 2 into root 2. Root a into root a is equal to a. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2 into 1 by root 2 into sine x. 1 root 2 cancel. Minus root 2 into sine x. This is RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So every day trigonometry, so many formulas, compound angles, there is no compound angles. So other way also sin 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, sin square theta plus cos square, there are so many formulas, but every formula, all formulas, everyday problem, everyday formulas, that day is perfect. We have to perfect. So every formula, all are perfect. Every formula we have to perfect, but there is no formula means there is no trigonometry, there is no marks. Okay, thank you. Next to continue the next one tomorrow.